Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off remove photosensitive videos on your account on TikTok on accessibility settings. Easy and quick. First click on your profile, click on these three lines here, click settings and privacy, and here you will find accessibility. Click on it. Here you will find remove photosensitive videos. Just click like this and it will be turned off. And that's how to turn off remove photosensitive videos on your account on TikTok. Easy and quick. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And I hope this video is helpful for you. And thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.